Hanagi Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla Ngasi Manipur gi Governor Oina Wasak Loukhre Manipur Khangnatana Laibak Pumbagi Home Affairs ki matangda ningthina khangnaba Ajay Kumar Bhalla na Manipur da tangdu laitaba purakna bahonabada asoba thaudang lawgani haibagi thajaba lei haina Wasak Loubagi thoromda saru yakiba Chief Minister N Viren Fongdokre Ngasi ayuk Raj Bhavan gi Darbar Holda Wasak Loubagi thorom pangthoke High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice D. Krishna Kumarna Ajay Kumar Bhalla bo Governor Oina Thaupuna bo Wasak Loukhre Thorom Maduda Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Setavrata, Chief Minister N. Viren, Cabinet Minister Singh, MPCC ke President K. Megasandra Amadi Tuan Tuanba, MLA Singh, Civil Amadi Police Yauna, Paramilitary ki makok thongba, Officer Singh Saruk Yaki.
दिसंबर मास के 24वें दिन
अजय कुमार भल्ला ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक मणिपुर के राज्यपाल के पद का कार्यपालन करूंगा तथा अपनी पूरी योग्यता से संविधान और विधि का परिरक्षण, संरक्षण और प्रतिरक्षण करूंगा और मैं अजय कुमार भल्ला मणिपुर की जनता की सेवा और कल्याण में निरत रहूंगा।
आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है विमान।
Wasak Loubagi thorom aduda saru yakiba Chief Minister N. Viren Hai Ajay Kumar Bhalla yamna experience leiba mioine mahana Manipuri Governor oirakpasi aikoi punamaki yaiphabani India gi tongan ba maruiba post kya pairamatana khwaidigi maruoina khanariba Union Home Secretary gi Famsu matam sana pairamba Manipur da tholiba irang asi mek sengna khangnaba mioine mahana Governor oina lakpasina lamdamasida aphaba ahongba kharadi lakani haibagi thajaba lei haiki Amaromda, Chief Minister na Hokiba December Kuntrama Thoida Pangthokpa Pawgi Mifamamada, Sorry Haibu Wahi Season Abagi Matangda, Lana Pawthoni Basing, Laibaktivani Hana Chief Minister na Thamke. Mahang na Sorry Hari Vadu, Irang Asina Awana Nangan Krabamyo Singi Imungda, Nuaita Bupungdo Poina, Tamoyi Asing Wapam Tambani. Terroristing da Sorry Haiga the Banate, Masida Opposition a Kudong Saba Loduna, Miam the Lana Uhana Bahona Basi, Laibaktivani. Atiyada tholiba numit asisu thane haibangamba kangbu ne haiba wahi fawba season aduna opposition party bo Chief Minister na maral seki
mapunsi mangraba leibam chabam leitraba mayam do sarkar ama leira CM oina leiraga madugumba thokpa mayam do gi against humanity thokiba bon mayam do bu madu dei gi mayam do daina madu ai nungaite madu punamak do madu khoi amana mabungang na matam yore nungaite haidana haiba gi wani madai the politics or bukangu do madu irang pam bakambu ne irang pam from the people of the Manipur and the side government and from my personnel. I wholeheartedly welcome the Ajay Bhalla ji. He is a good and a dynamic person who knows the ground reality and the ground situation of the entire India, particularly the Northeast, and in particular Manipur situation he knows very well. With his appointment as the governor of the state, I fully believe that normalcy and peace will be restored in the state of Manipur as earlier. And I convey my peace message to all the community residing in the state of Manipur. Again, let us forgive and forget everything. What is the past is past. We should sit together and we should bring a permanent solution. Restoring. First priority should be restoration of peace in the state.